So I found the Ramova back in 2017, late 2017, so it sounds like right around when you would have visited it last time. I knew, my wife and I had talked about wanting to do something in our hometown of Chicago. We knew we wanted to do something in the south side of Chicago. We knew we wanted it to involve live music and beer in the community. Three things we're really passionate about. We were fortunate enough to have some friends over when we had this revelation for the first time. And those friends had some colleagues that were aware of the Ramova, and they thought it fit what we were trying to accomplish perfectly as far as the neighborhood, the building that was actually available, and really the community. So at that point I came out and visited, spoke with some people from the city of Chicago, looked at the Ramova for the first time and fell in love. Since that point, it's been really 4 years almost exactly of me working with tens, if not hundreds of people to make this project happen. The city of Chicago, the state of Illinois, definitely the community, a lot of groups. As far as what this is actually going to be, we're going to take the 1,500 person movie theater and turn it into about a 1,700 person live music venue. We also have a brewery that we're going to have here and a small grill to cook some really good food. We plan on hiring a bunch of people, a diverse group of people from the south side of Chicago, and having this be a community focal point for anyone and everyone across Chicago. The most important part, I think, for your group is it will be the Ramova, and we're going to bring it back to how it looked back in the 60s, 70s, and 80s. So the glory that this place was will be returned. When we first found it, that was a question because there's a lot of work that needs to be done. But I think what we determined pretty early on was the community loved this place. They love the heritage. You've got Bernice's, which is a Lithuanian bar that's just up the street. You've still got a pretty strong Lithuanian community in Chicagoland. And really all of Bridgeport and the surrounding communities remembered the Ramova. And there had been a group around led by Maureen Sullivan for about 10 years to save the Ramova and bring it back. And we realized that there was just a strong interest in the community in doing it. I was fortunate enough to link up with a development group that focuses on rehabilitating businesses and properties, and they realized early on that this is something they were excited about as well. At that point, we knew we had an opportunity to do it. We started working with federal groups, local groups, and everybody helped us make this thing possible to bring it back to the way it was before. It just got a lot more heart, a lot more soul, and it means a lot more to the community for those reasons.